So the Securities and Exchange Board of India is going to be meeting for its board briefing today, and there will be a press conference regarding the developments around 6 p.m. in the evening. But let's look at what is and is not on the agenda. First of all, no decision regarding the speculation or volume-based issues of future and options or derivative segment are going to be discussed. There are certain things in the pipeline, and the consultation paper about the same could come out within a month. However, there has been no discussion about the same with any of the stakeholders, including the exchanges, and no decision on the same has been made. It is on a very preliminary proposal stage. Apart from this, what remains on the agenda are the minimum public shareholding norm changes. Now these involves changes for very large market cap companies who want to go public. The amount of time that they will be given to reach the 25% minimum public shareholding threshold has been increased. Apart from that, there will be a review of the stockbroker rules of 1992 to basically accommodate newer and smoother regulations for them. There will be some A's in Indians entering into FPI schemes, including the Indian mutual funds entering into these schemes, and the entry level barriers for entering large value alternate investment fund schemes will also be A's, and will make it easier for smaller investors to enter. So currently the threshold to enter these schemes is about 70 crore rupees. It is being proposed to be reduced to about 25 crore rupees, and the compliance burden will also be significantly reduced. Apart from this, there will be changes related to research analysts and investment advisors, and many more changes are going to be discussed today.